I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Vscode and optionally Node.js. Now open your project folder in Vscode so files and settings stay in one place. Once the folder is open, create a new file and save it with a JS extension, for example app.js, because extension controls language mode and tooling. Make sure the bottom right shows JavaScript language mode. If not, click it and choose JavaScript to enable linting, snippets, and syntax highlighting immediately. You should now write a minimal script. Include const, let, or function declarations and a console log to verify execution. Once done, initialize npm with npm init if you want run scripts like npm start. This also helps with dependencies. Make sure to install ESLint and prettier extensions to catch style and error issues. Configure settings, JSON or ESLint-rc to match your rules. Finally, add breakpoints and use the built-in debugger or the Node debug extension to step through code. You can run your file with Node app.js from the integrated terminal or press run and debug after creating a launch. JSON to launch with breakpoints. This shows why things behave a certain way. Save often and enable format on save so formatting and lint fixes run automatically. If something goes wrong, make sure the terminal is in the project folder, inspect the linter and runtime error messages, and verify the file name and path. If unresolved, restart Vscode to clear extension or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.